Select the text and at your right-hand side, come to Appearance menu then Font. You can adjust the font size and type from here. Give a name to the label control. Example here is labelProductionDate. Now toggle to Appearance. Select the font. Change the font type from default Times New Roman to the font size you want. The commonly used font type is Arial. You may change the font size and bold here as well. Now click on Barcode, or you can always go to the drop-down box below the properties to select the control you want to change it property. You may resize it by dragging it. For barcode control properties, under Barcode Tasks, Symbology, select Code 128, then at Character Set, change it to Charset C, tick on Auto Module and untick the Show Text. Once all the adjustment finish, now go to Hamburger menu, select Save, give a name for this report, serial number 5CMX2CM. Remember to click the Generate Bullet tick to let AGen automatically generate bullet for you. Always click on Preview to show you the printing result. On the preview, you can try to key in the sample data to view the sample printout. I forgot to hide the barcode text during design. Just toggle back to Design View, then you can hide the barcode text by untick the Show Text checkbox. Save again after all modifications is done.